Hey, this is Micah from Epiem, and today we're going to go over a tutorial for Photoshop regarding invert, RGB selection, copying of the selected layer, and screening to make this logo appear on our photo bar. We did a photography set for a local Seattle-based nightclub, and we want to use their logo on this. However, the logo that they sent us was black text in a white little box, so we need to isolate the logo text out of it. I am going to go through this as quickly as I can. You will notice that I will do a bit of clicking instead of hotkeys. I am using a Mac, so my hotkeys will be Command something. If you're using a PC, it will be Control something. So if you hear me say Command something and you're on a PC, just hit Control instead. Alrighty, so let's get this started. I'm going to paste in the logo. And as you can see, it's black text on a white box, and we want to invert that to get it white text because it will fit with the logos a little bit better here. So we're going to shrink it down so that there's no clipping when we do actually delete it. And we're going to hit Command I to invert it, and then we're going to select channels, hold Command, select RGB, and Command J to duplicate the layer, choose the original layer, delete it, re-highlight layer 2, and we're going to move it over a bit, kind of get it cleaned up just so that it's a little bit more pleasing to the eye, a little bit smaller here. Just kind of play around with it to get it where we want it. And we'll zoom back out, see how it looks, maybe make it a bit smaller. Okay. That looks pretty good. So now we will go ahead and change the layer style. So we're just going to add a drop shadow and use the default settings. So hit OK, drop the opacity to about 80. You could just type it in. Highlight the TPD layer because we want to move it over. Even though it's in the center, we want it to look a little bit more pleasing with the logo setup that we have right now. And move that line out. So we're going to select the bar because we have a mask on it, and we're going to clean it up a little bit. As you can see, I'm having a little problem. Kind of sleepy tonight. So there we go. Got rid of that. And we're going to highlight the layer by holding Command and keeping it on the bar mask. We're going to go ahead and brush that out. Highlight the TPD logo and brush that out. So if you remove it, there's actually see-through. So since we dropped the opacity, when a picture is shown through it, you will see just a slight gradient of whatever's behind the photo. So that's about it. Pretty simple, just a couple minutes long, and thanks for watching.